How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, I've got the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Guys, I have been waiting so long to get my hands on these. Been searching Best Buy every single day, and finally today, I found one near me that had them in stock. Man, am I excited. Anyway, here we got the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's just do our little exterior inspection. We got the, let me see if I can focus on this thing, warning label here. Don't really care about that. Little flap here, so it stands there nice and steady for me to purchase on the shelf. Here we got Galaxy Buds 3 Pro camera. Gotta work with me here. UPC serial number stuff. Y'all need to see that. And then we got the back, more mumbo jumbo here. Anyway, let's just look at the box here again. Man, you notice the Pro box, the Pro box is gonna be black compared to the normal Galaxy Buds 3 being in a white box. These gonna come in two different colors. We got white and silver. Of course, your boy had to go with the silver. Looking real nice there. And Samsung on their earbuds say it right here. So nice for us to see. If it'll focus. But these are gonna run you about 250 bucks. Man. Alright. We saw enough of the exterior. Let's get this nice peel going. Ooh, more satisfying peel. Boom! 2 satisfying peels, baby. Last time, with the normal Buds 3, we didn't have much luck. Maybe it's because these are the pros, and Samsung already knows. Man. Alright. Sorry. I'm a hype, man. I've been waiting for these for a while, man. I had my coworkers. Shout out my coworkers. You know who you are. But them two got these earbuds before me, and I was kind of salty, man. They got their hands on these earbuds before me. They were showing it off, saying, "Oh, it sounds so great. It sounds so great." And I'm like, chill, y'all. I'm gonna have my hands on it. Jesus. I'm gonna have my hands on it sooner or later. And here we go. Man! Samsung, do you want me to open these or not? Anyway. There we go. Jeez, okay. Little box inspection time. Let's kind of toss this to the side here. Paper. Ooh, find your perfect fit. Yeah. Throw that to the side. Sorry, buds, we're gonna look at you in a bit. Let's take a little peep at this. Alright. Papers, yep, we don't need that. Big cable. Black cable. Thanks, Samsung. Not gonna need that either. And this thing again. Anyway. Ooh. Alright, let's set those to the side real quick. Hey! Where are my ear tips? Where are my ear tips? Oh, here they are. I was like, why is this box so big and where are the ear tips? Okay. So here we got our cable. Oh, I just hit the buds. I'm sorry, buds. Let's kind of set these to the side here. Alright. Here we got the ear tips. Let's open these puppies up. Boom, we got ear tips, baby. We got looks to be small and large ear tips, and I assume the medium ones are already on the buds themselves, which is going to be pretty nice. Alright. Let's just set these to the side and look at the star of the show here. Man, oh man. Here it is, the Galaxy Buds 3. Oh, let's get these out of the way. Y'all don't need to see that little in the corner there. Anyway. Take a look at that. We got that same type of casing. The exterior is going to be kind of like a smoked black. Oh my lord. Alright, anyway, on the side here, I got my Galaxy S24 Ultra. We're going to be pairing these with this. Let me just go ahead and unlock this bad boy. Same thing with the other buds as we showed, or as I showed in the previous video. We're going to open these puppies up. Oh, baby! Y'all see those blade lights? Alright, and then... I'm sorry. Alright. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Jesus, my camera's not cooperating here. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. It's gonna just pop up real easy to connect if you got a Galaxy device. Very simple. Man, y'all saw those Bud lights though? Bud lights. Blade lights, excuse me. Take a look at that. Case feels pretty similar to the normal Buds 3. Very premium, very nice. Oh, we gotta do our low magnet test. I always do this with my new earbuds. Give them all shake upside down. We tested these with the other buds. These puppies are not coming out of that case. Alright. I agree to all, Samsung. I'm signing off my soul here. Okay, noise So voice and siren detection. Let's put these to the side real quick and kind of see what we got here. Voice and siren detection. Where they know that stuff. We're all set. Boom. Oliver's, not just any Buds 3 Pro, Oliver's. They're finally mine, baby. Let's take a look at the app real quick here. We got sound settings off, ambient sound, adaptive, and then active noise canceling. And we got auto switch to ambient sound. Sound quality and effects, we got the 360 audio, the equalizer. Can mess with our audio here as we please. Adjust sound to fit, and the earbud fit test right over here. Earbud controls. Man, I always turn these off because I always misclick. We are turning all of these off. And here we got the earbud lights control. So to turn the lights on and off, pinch and hold both earbuds. Okay, so I'm gonna have mine steady for now, because I want them lights steady. We got more earbuds sitting here. All that mumbo jumbo. And find my earbuds. Let's set that to the side. Thank you, Galaxy S24 Ultra, for making a co-feature in this video. And let me just pop these bad boys out. Oh, man. Ooh, they feel good. Oh, my Lord. They feel real good. They feel a bit more premium compared to the normal Buds 3. Sorry about that, my dog's playing in the background. Man, these feel nice. These feel real nice. Sorry, guys. Hey, chill, Iris, we're making a video here. Anyway. Look at those bad boys. We got the ear tips in. Feeling premium. We got the same blue and orange bottom. And then we got the blue and orange here. So, you know, the indicators, you know, blue goes here, orange goes there, yada, yada, yada. Man! These are nice. So you pinch, like, the sides or whatever, and then, like, the blade lights are supposed to up here. I don't know. I don't know how that works. I'm gonna find out when I'm using these bad boys. This is just the unboxing. Man! Do these look good? Okay, so gonna be a shorter video because I kind of already unboxed the 3s. Honestly, build quality of the casing feels pretty similar. I believe the case is the exact same, to be honest with you guys. It's mainly the earbuds that feel a bit more different. They still look like Cybertrucks. They definitely look more Cybertrucky now because of the lights on the side. Let me put these in my ear, alright? These in-ear earbuds with the ear tips never really fit my ears. I'm gonna put these in real quick and give you guys my honest impression. Alright, let me put them in real quick. Oh, baby, actually, these fit good. Hold up. These fit real good. Okay, so I'm shaking my head. I'm doing a little shaking. Y'all ain't seeing this because I'm in my PJs right now. I'm not trying to have you see those. But these are fitting in my ears. For now, I gotta see how they work. Like, I'm gonna use them tomorrow, obviously, when I go to work and stuff like that. But I'm gonna have them in my ears and see how they do. Oh, baby! Y'all see that? Oh, my Lord. I'm sorry. I'm so hyped with these. Jesus, these look cool. Yeah, they were a bit of a controversial design, to be honest with you guys. Here, let me see. Adjust my camera here a bit. Yeah, a bit of a controversial design. I personally really like them. I really like the blade lights. These are really nice to, you know, find them in the dark and stuff like that. But man, they just look really nice. I'm really happy. I'm sorry, I can't contain my excitement this time. I've been waiting so long to be able to have these in my hand, and I'm so excited to see how these sound day to day. And I mentioned this in the previous video, but we got USB-C insert here, and then we got the pairing button here. So if you don't have a Samsung device, that's how you're going to pair this bad boy. Anywho, here we have it, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. These are going to have much better active noise canceling. The Buds 3, the normal ones, do have active noise canceling, but nowhere near as this guy. And as we saw in the Galaxy Wearable app, you're able to control all of that here. Galaxy Wearable works very nice. You can have this even on non-Android devices. You can install that app, which is really nice to see. Let's see those blade lights again. Oh my Lord. That's a great design, honestly. I find that pretty Samsung unique. You don't really see earbuds with that nowadays. Those are really cool. Man, I'm gonna love these. Anywho, that was the unboxing for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Bit of a shorter video, and I do apologize. This was a bit of an all over the place video. I just got back from work, and I just wanted to crack these open, but I was like, nope, I'm not gonna do it without showing you guys. But here we go. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's see those blade lights one more time. Looking real nice. I'm gonna test these out and see how they are. Maybe I'll do a review on these. I'm not too sure. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see an honest review for these earbuds in the future. But that's going to pretty much wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This was the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro unboxing. And as always, I hope you guys are having a great rest of your day/night. And I'll catch you guys in my next YouTube video. Peace.